Hello, welcome to AutoCAD beginner course. In this course, we are going to see the AutoCAD software. So how to draw it and how to use the tools. So if you know know how to use the tools, and you can easily draw with AutoCAD. So first of all, the interface is like this, and you can see the drawing tools and modify tools and annotation tools in the toolboxes area. So first of all, you need to make some settings before going to draw in AutoCAD. First, you have to set the units. So for that, to access the units, you have to type UN in the command line and just enter. So you can see the drawing units uh, interface here. So you need to set the type of drawing is decimal, and precision as you can set to 0, because we are going to deal with the length and width as millimeters. So I'm just make this millimeters. And also you can set the units for specifying the intensity of lighting. Also we just set it as an international. So the type of the angle also decimal degrees, and the precision is 0. So we set the drawing units. Next, you need to type DS in the command line and just enter. So you will get this type of uh, pop-up here, and you have to select all the points. So I will explain why you need to select all the options here. So you need to select all, so you can see the endpoint, midpoint, center. So these are the important things when we are drawing with the tools of AutoCAD. So you can access all these things when you are select these all options in the draft settings. So just select all and make OK. So those are the two settings you have to need to done. You have to done before make drawings in AutoCAD.